Okay, fourth graders, today you are going to take an area and perimeter checkpoint like we would in class. Think of this as a way to determine how well you're understanding the concepts, but also know that since we're not at school, it may be a little bit more difficult, and cut yourself some slack if you just needed some extra help. Okay, that is okay. But to access our checkpoint, you're going to click this link here. Okay, this link is going to take you, sorry. This link is going to take you to this area and perimeter checkpoint. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to have 5 questions. You're going to answer, the first question is very simple, name. You just write your name. Then you're going to see that there are 5 questions. Okay. All of the questions except for number 5, you have to type in your answer where it says short answer text. Okay. Number 5 is a multiple choice. You just click the one that is correct. Okay. So that's where this link is going to take you. But I have broken down your questions onto slides. On each slide, I want you to show me your work. Okay? On your slides, you're going to show me the work for each problem. You're going to take a picture of your whiteboard with your answers circled and insert that picture on that slide. And then you're going to go back to that checkpoint to answer the question. For example, let me show you. So slide 3 is question number 1. It says area and perimeter checkpoint number 1 work. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the problem, find the unknown dimensions of a rectangle if its area is 216 square miles and one dimension measures 6 miles. So you're going to find the other dimension. So you're going to use a labeled sketch and an equation to model and solve the problem. And then I want to know the unknown dimension for the rectangle. So you draw a sketch, using any method you know, you would find the missing dimension, you would insert your work here. Then you're going to go back to your checkpoint, and for number 1 where it says short answer text, you're going to type in the answer. So let's say the answer is 73. It's not. Don't write that down. But you would just type in 73 and move on to question 2. Okay. Then you're going to go back here. Question 2, area and perimeter checkpoint number 2 work. Find the unknown dimension if the perimeter is 254 meters and one dimension is 6 meters. Again, you're going to use labeled sketches and an equation to model and solve your problem. Take a picture of your work with the unknown dimension circled. Insert your picture. Then go back to your checkpoint for number 2 and answer it there. Okay, again, you're going to have the short answer text. Then you're going to go back to your slides to number 3. Number 3, I want to see your work using a ratio table. So you're going to fill in the ratio table to find the answer, the quotient, to 260 divided by 4. Now, if you want to double check your work using a different method, you can. But on your picture, I want to see you using your ratio table skills to solve this problem. So you'll insert your picture of your ratio table in your work. You'll go back to number 3 and you'll tell me, you'll type in the answer where it says short answer text. If you see this, like you see 260/4, I don't have a divided by button, so that slash also means divided by. Okay, so that this problem reads 260 divided by 4 equals. Then you're going to write the answer here. If you hear Finn in the background, he's barking at something. Then you're going to go to number 4. Okay, Michael is planning to build a path that is 3 feet wide and has an area of 726 square feet. You're going to finish the array that he started to find your missing dimension. So you have 726 square feet divided by 3 square feet. I want to know what the other dimension is. So you're going to finish this array. We started it for you. We have a 3 by 100, and you need to add on until you get 726 as your area, with that top number being your missing path length. Okay? So you would use that area model to try to solve this problem. Once you have the solution of the path, the missing length, you go to number 3 and you write in your answer. Oh, I'm sorry, you write in number 4, you write in your answer. Okay, so it says finish the sketch on your whiteboard to help you solve the problem 726 divided by 3 using an area model or an array model. The answer to 726 divided by 3 is, and this is where you're going to write your answer. And then our last one is a multiple choice. Okay, so for the last time, you're going to go back. Okay, and you're going to solve this problem. A 6 by 449 rectangle has an area of 2,694 square meters. Which equation is true? So all you're going to do is you're going to look at these equations and you're going to determine which one is true. Always, maybe get rid of the ones that you know aren't true. And if you need to show any work, you insert your picture with your work, and then you go back and you click whichever one you think is right. Now, to ensure that you have all of your questions answered, go back, double check, okay? And then on your screen, you'll have to scroll down until you see submit. Okay, it'll be a purple button. I don't see it here because this is on my computer. You will see a submit button. Please make sure you submit your answers so you can get credit for this checkpoint. Okay, good luck. Try your best. But this checkpoint is due today. This is the only thing that you have, so this checkpoint needs to be done today. All right, good luck.